Hey, mijo, come here. Do you remember your cousin Arm& Hammer? Do I remember my cousin Arm& Hammer? No, I don't remember having a cousin named Arm& Hammer. He is way too big to be named after a baking soda. Hey, cousin. Oh, heck no. How am I related to Goofy from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? What the heck is that? I want your tone if I were you, cousin. You don't want to mess with me. What are you gonna do, Goofy from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Call Mickey and the gang? You asked for it, cuz. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. What the heck theme song from the TV show are you singing?